Everyone, my name is Komal Verma, Assistant Professor Babu Banarsi Das University. Today I will discuss about a important topic, parasympathetic drugs. Now we are firstly describe the parasympathetic nervous system. The parasympathetic nervous system it works to save energy, aids in digestion and support restorative and resting body function. They are mainly responsible for the decrease in heart rate. It causes increase the gastrointestinal tract tone and peristalsis and urinary sphincter relaxation, and it causes the vasodilation that is cause the decrease in blood pressure, sponsors the rest and the digestion. It causes the dilation of blood vessel in skin. It is causes the decreased heart rate that is called bradycardia, and it causes increased secretion of digestive enzymes. It causes the digestive enzyme increased secretion, and that is causes in constriction of smooth muscles of bronchi. It increases in sweat glands in cooling, that is cause the contraction of smooth muscles in urinary bladder. Next is context. It causes the contraction of smooth muscles of skeletal system. The cholinergic receptor. Cholinergic receptor are divided into classes. First is muscarinic and second is nicotinic. Muscarinic receptor, these are receptors are selectively stimulated by muscarine and they block by atropine. They are located primarily on autonomic effector cells in the heart and blood vessel, eye, smooth muscle, and the gland of gastrointestinal and respiratory and urinary tract, sweat gland, etc. And in the CNS. Subsidiary muscarinic receptors are also present in autonomic ganglia, where they appear to play a modulatory role by inducing a long-lasting late excitatory postsynaptic potential. The muscarinic receptor autoreceptors are present p-junctionally on a postganglionic cholinergic nerve ending. It is divided in three main categories: M1, M2, and M3. M1 is the primary a neuronal receptor is located on ganglionic cell and central neuron, especially in cortex, hippocampus, and corpus luteum. It play a major role in mediating gastric secretion and relaxation of lower esophagus sphincter. It causes vagal stimulation in learning, memory, and motor function. M2 is the cardiac muscarinic receptor are predominantly M2 mediated vagal bradycardia, and M3 is visceral smooth muscle contracts and glandular secretion are elected through M3 receptor, which also mediated vasodilation through axillary EDRF release. And the nicotinic receptor, that receptor are selectively activated by nicotinic and blocked by tuberculin and hexamethonium. Now we see about the secretory gland. M1, it located on secretory gland. It causes salivation, stomach acid, sweating, lacrimation. And M2 receptor is located on heart. It causes decreased heart rate and bradycardia. M3 receptor is present in smooth muscle and pupillary and ciliary muscles. It causes the contraction of smooth muscle and diarrhea, bronchospasm, urination. And M3 receptor is present in pupil and ciliary muscles. It causes the contraction and meiosis, increase the flow of aqueous humor. Next is muscarinic receptor. That receptor are selectively activated by nicotinic and block the tuberculin. It is mainly in two types, NM and NN. It located on NM is located on the skeletal muscle and plate. It causes the contraction of skeletal muscle, and NN is present autonomic ganglia and adrenal medulla. It causes the secretion of epinephrine, control of ANH. We discuss the what is cholinergic drug. The cholinergic drug is also called parasympathomimetic drugs. These drugs are which produce actions similar to that of acetylcholine, either by directly interacting with cholinergic receptor or by increasing availability of acetylcholine at this site of cholinergic receptor. Because their action mimics the action of the PSNS, that is also called as cholinomimetic drug, that is causes the stimulate parasympathetic nervous system in same manner as does acetylcholine. It is causes may stimulate cholinergic receptors directly or slow acetylcholine metabolism at synapses. It causes the affect the enzyme in acetylcholinesterase. Cholinergic agonists are mainly in two types: direct acting and second is indirect acting. Flowchart we can see the classification of cholinergic drugs. Cholinergic drugs are mainly in two divided in two categories. First is cholinergic agonist and second is anticholinesterase. And the cholinergic agonist it is mainly divided in two categories. First is choline esters and second is alkaloid. Choline esters like acetylcholine, methacholine, carbachol, methanicol, and alkaloids are muscarine, pilocarpine, aricorin. And anticholinesterase it is divided in mainly two category. First is reversible and second is irreversible. Reversible are divided in two categories. First is carbamate and second is acridine. Carbamate like physostigmine, neostigmine, pyridostigmine, idorophonium, rivastigmine, and donepezil, galantamine, and the acridine examples like tacrine. And the irreversible is divided in two categories: carbamate and organophosphate. Carbamate examples like carbyle and propoxy, and organophosphate this difluose and ecothiopate, malathion and diazinon, tabun, serine, soman. That is the classification of cholinergic drug. Direct acting cholinergic agonist. They act by binding directly to cholinereceptors. That is direct acting in cholinergic. They are lipid insoluble. They do not readily enter the CNS. So effect is mainly causes in peripheral. They are resistant to metabolism by acetylcholinesterase. They causes the effect are longer acting than with acetylcholine. Example is acetylcholine, methacholine, carbachol, methanicol, muscarine, pilocarpine, and aricoline. Drug effects of cholinergic agent. It is causes the cholinergic agent. It shows the effect on cardiovascular effect. The acetylcholine it causes hyperpolarize the SA nodal cell and decrease their rate of diastolic repolarization. As a result, and rate of impulse generation is reduced. It causes bradycardia and even cardiac arrest may occur at the AV node and Purkinje his or Purkinje fiber effective period is increased and conduction is slow. PR interval increase and parietal to complete AV block may be produced. The force of arterial contraction is markedly reduced and the effective period of arterial fibers is abbreviated due to non-uniform vagal innervation. The intensity of effect on RP and conduction of different arterial fibers varies, it causing inducing inhomogeneity and predisposing of arterial fibration of flutter. Ventricle contractility is also decreased, but the effect is not marked. The cardiovascular receptors are of the M2 subtypes. They causes the stimulate the intestine and bladder. In the they are mainly work on smooth muscle. The smooth muscles is most organ in contract. The tone and paralysis is the gastrointestinal tract is increased and sphincter muscle are relaxed and it causes abdominal cramps and evacuation of bowel. The peristalsis in uterus is increased. The dorsal muscles contracts while the bladder, trigone, and sphincter relaxes. Voiding of bladder and bronchial muscle constriction asthmatic are highly sensitive. It causes bronchospasm, dysphonia, precipitation of attack of bronchial asthma. They increase the gastric secretion and they increase the gastrointestinal motility and also increase the urinary frequency. The cholinergic agent it causes the effect on the stimulate pupil extraction of circular muscles of iris it is called meiosis and contraction of ciliary muscles and after it generates spasm of accommodation and increase outflow facility and reduction in intraocular tension especially in glaucoma patients. In the respiratory effect it causes it causes the bronchial muscle contraction asthmatic in the case of asthma it is highly sensitive it causes bronchospasm dysphonia and precipitation of an attack of bronchial asthma in it causes on the effect on gland the secretion from the all sympathetic innervated gland is increased via M3 and some M2 receptor that is cause sweating salivation lacrimation increased tracheobronchial and gastric secretion. The effect on pancreatic and intestinal glands is not marked. Secretion of milk and bile is not affected. NSLUBDD it is very easy method for remember the eff- effect of cholinergic agent like meiosis, M for meiosis, S for salivation, L for lacrimation, and U for urination, B for bronchoconstriction, and D for defecation, and D for decreased heart rate. So it is very easy method for remember the effect of cholinergic agent. Is the main neurotransmitter of the ANS. Acetylcholine is released at preganglionic fibers of the both sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous system. It is also released from postganglionic sympathetic nervous system neurons that innervate the sweat gland and from motor neurons that innervate the skeletal muscles. It is a quaternary ammonium compound so cannot penetrate the membrane. Acetylcholine is produced in the nerve ending of cholinergic neuron by the enzyme choline acetyltransferase. The action of chol- acetylcholine acetyltransferase is slowest step in the process of signal transduction and is therefore referred to as rate limiting. It, it is the availabilities of both acetyl coenzyme A and choline that determine acetylcholine synthesis. It does not have any therapeutic importance because rapid inactivation by acetylcholinesterase. It has both muscarinic and nicotinic action. Nicole. It is not hydrolyzed by acetylcholinesterase. The action of bethanicol. It is directly stimulated M receptors and causing increased intestinal motility and tone. It is stimulated detrusor muscles of the bladder and while trigone and sphincter are relaxed, causing expulsion of urine. The bethanol has been used in post-operative and postpartum non-obstetric urinary retention. It is neurogenic bladder to promote urination. It can afford symptomatic relief in congenital megacolon and gastroesophageal reflux, but is rarely used for these. The side effects of bethanol are prominent belching, colic, involuntary urination, defecation, flushing, sweating, fall in BP, and bronchospasm. Dose dose will be 10 to 40 mg oral, 2.5 to 5 mg subcutaneous. Therapeutic uses paralytic ileus urinary retention helpful for post-surgical atony of the bladder and GI tract. Carpine. Pilocarpine is an alkaloid, lipid soluble, and it is stable to hydrolysis by cholinesterases. Pilocarpine is obtained from the leaf of Pilocarpus microphyllus and other species. It has prominent muscarinic action and also stimulated ganglia mainly through ganglionic muscarinic receptors. Pilocarpine cause marked sweating, salivation, and increase in other secretion. The cardiovascular effects are complex. Small doses generally cause fall in BP, but higher doses elicit rise in BP and tachycardia, which is probably due to ganglionic stimulation through ganglionic muscarinic receptor applied to the eye. It is penetrates cornea and promptly causes miosis, ciliary muscles contraction, and fall in intraocular tension, lasting 4 to 8 hours. Pilocarpine is used only in the eye as 0.5 to 4% drop. It is a third-line drug is open-angle glaucoma and initially stinging sensation in the eye and
painful spasm of accommodation are frequent side effects. Other uses as a mitotic, myotic are to counteract mediatics after they have been used for testing refraction and prevent break adhesion of iris with the lens cornea by alternating it with mydriatics, though it can be used as a silogue and no oral preparation is available. The action of pilocarpine when applied locally the cornea produces rapid miosis contraction of ciliary muscles, produce, produces spasm of accommodation and vision is fixed at particularly distancing, making it impossible to focus for situated object. Therapeutic use in glaucoma in a open trabecular mesh work around Schliemann canal. It is caused drainage of aqueous humor. IOP immediately decreases. Acting cholinergic agonist. They act through inhibition of acetylcholinesterase enzyme. So it increases the acetylcholine level in the synapse. The accumulation of acetylcholine then occurs which enhance the activation of nicotinic and muscarinic receptors. The anticholinesterase drugs are either reversible or irreversible inhibitors of acetylcholinesterase, mainly in two types, reversible or irreversible, like neostigmine, physostigmine, ecothiopate, pidostigmine, malathion, hydrophonium, donepezil, and reversible organophosphates like parathion, tabun, serine, carbamates, carbyle. Physostigmine. Physostigmine is a nitrogenous carbamic acid. It is ester found naturally in plants and is a tertiary amine. It is capable of crossing the blood-brain barrier. It is more lipid-soluble. It used as antidote for overdose of anticholinergic such as atropine, antihistamines, TCA, phenothiazines. It may also be used in the treatment of glaucoma. The action of isostigmine has a wide range of effects of a result of its action, and not only the muscarinic and nicotinic side of the autonomic nervous system, but also the nicotinic receptors of the neuromuscular junction are stimulated. Isostigmine can enter the stimulate the cholinergic site in the CNS. The therapeutic uses of isostigmine, the drug increase intestinal and bladder motility, which serve as its therapeutic action in atony of either organ. Placed topically in the eye, it produces meiosis and spasm of accommodation as well as lowering of intraocular pressure. It is used to treat the glaucoma, but pilocarpine is more effective. Physostigmine is also used in the treatment of overdoses of drugs with anticholinergic action, such as atropine, phenothiazine, and tricyclic antidepressant. The adverse effects of physostigmine are the Effect of physostigmine on the CNS may lead to convulsion when high doses are used, bradycardia, and a fall in cardiac output may also occur. The inhibition of acetylcholinesterase at the skeletal neuromuscular junction causes the accumulation of acetylcholine and ultimately results in paralysis of skeletal muscle. The effects are rarely seen with the therapeutic doses. Pyridostigmine is the maintenance of the drug of choice of patients with myasthenia gravis. There are other cholinesterase inhibitors that are used in the chronic management of myasthenia gravis. The adverse effect of pyridostigmine is these agents are similar to those of neostigmine. Neostigmine are a prototype anticholinesterase agent. It is used for long-term treatment of myasthenia gravis and as an antidote for tuberculosis and other non-depolarizing agents in surgery. Donepezil used in the treatment of mild to moderate Alzheimer's disease. It helps to increase or maintain memory and learning capacities. Uses of indirect cholinergic agonist in glaucoma, pilocarpine and physostigmine, hydrophonium to test myasthenia gravis, neostigmine and pyridostigmine in treatment of myasthenia gravis. In the post-operative paralytic ileus, it used the neostigmine. Post-operative decorization, neostigmine. Cobra bite, hydrophonium paralysis. In atropine poisoning, physostigmine are used. In Alzheimer's disease, donepezil, galantamine, tacrine, rivastigmine. For TCA and phenothiazine overdose of physostigmine. The cholinergic agent side effects. Side effects are a result of overstimulation of the PSNS. The cardiovascular, it causes bradycardia, hypotension, conduction abnormalities in the CNS. It causes headache, dizziness, convulsion. In the gastrointestinal, it causes abdominal cramps, increased secretion, nausea, and vomiting. Respiratory system. It causes increased bronchial secretions and bronchospasm. It causes side effects in other like lacrimation, sweating, salivation, loss of binocular accommodation, and meiosis. Acute toxic effects of irreversible cholinesterase inhibitors. Organophosphate poisoning. These agents are mainly in lipid soluble. It can be enter the body by the eye, skin, respiratory system, and GI tract. The organophosphate insecticide or nerve gases. Nerve gases is sarin tabun an insecticide. It used in malathion parathion. These agents are can be used
This agent causes excessive cholinergic stimulation and neuromuscular blockade. Cholinergic crisis occurs because the irreversible anticholinesterase poison bind to the enzyme acetylcholinesterase and inactivates it. Thus, acetylcholine remains in cholinergic synapses, causing excessive stimulation of muscarinic and nicotinic receptors. Treatment of organophosphate poisoning. Organophosphate poisoning is the emergency treatment. It include for organophosphate poisoning, the decontamination of clothing, the flushing poison from skin and eyes, the activated charcoal and lavage of gastrointestinal ingestion, the atropine to counteract the muscarinic effects, 2 mg IV in every 10 minutes till pupil is dilated or maximum 50 to 100 mg to relieve the neuromuscular blockade by nicotinic effects. Give perilodoxime, a cholinesterase reactivator. The pyralidoxime it causes the anticholinesterase poison to release the enzyme acetylcholinesterase. It gives pyralidoxime as soon as possible, as if too much time passes, the poison bond becomes too strong for the pyralidoxime to work, and the other oxime, obidoxime, and diacetylmonooxime, etc. Now we discuss the anticholinergic. What is the anticholinergic? Anticholinergic drug is restricted to those which block action of acetylcholine on autonomic effectors and in the CNS exerted through muscarinic receptors. Through nicotinic receptor antagonists also block certain action of acetylcholine. They are generally referred to as ganglionic blockers and neuromuscular blockers. Atropine, the prototype drug of this class, is highly selective for muscarinic receptor, but some of its synthetic substitutes do possess significant nicotinic blocking property. In addition, the selective action of atropine can easily be demonstrated on a piece of guinea pig ileum, where the acetylcholine-induced contractions are blocked without affecting those evoked by histamine or other spasmogens. The selectivity is, however, lost at very high doses. All anticholinergics are competitive antagonists. The classification of anticholinergic drugs: first is natural alkaloid like atropine. It used as and spasmolytic and mediatics. Hyoscine, scopoderm.
Scopoderm used as antiemetic. Second is semi-synthetic derivative hematropine. It used in mydriatics and hyoscine butyl bromide. It used in gastrointestinal spasmolytics. Next is ipratropium and thiotropium. Third is synthetic compound tropicamine and cyclopentolate. It used as and it used as mydriatics. It used in mydriatics and propanthelin and oxyphenonium. It is quaternary compound. It used as antisecretory and antispasmodic action. Second is tertiary amine. Tertiary amine like dicyclomine, valentamate, parangepine, and vesicoselective is oxybutynine and flavoxate and tolterodine. Used as antiparkinson. Used in antiparkinson, trihexyphenidyl and procyclidine and piperidine. We discussed the difference between atropine and hyoscine. Atropine and hyoscine. Atropine is sources is its sources is Atropa belladonna and hyoscine its sources is Hyoscyamus niger. And second difference between atropine and hyoscine, to- tropine with tropic acid and scopine with tropic acid. CNS it is excitatory low dose and high dose. Hyoscine used in depression, amnesia, fatigue, drowsiness, and high dose it causes excitation. Anticholinergic activity more potent on heart, bronchial muscles, and intestine. Hyoscine are more potent on eye and secretory glands. Atropine longer dose of action. Hyoscine is shorter dose of action. Anti-motion sickness. Atropine uses anti-motion sickness and hyoscine uses anti-motion sickness effect more than. Action of atropine. Atropine is causes action on the CNS in and CVS, eye, smooth muscles, glands, body temperature, local anesthetic, and details is coming in slides. Action on CNS. Atropine has an overall stimulant action. However, at low doses, only peripheral effects seen due to restricted entry into brain. But hyoscine produce central depression effect even at low doses. Atropine stimulates many medullary centers, vagal centers, respiratory center, and vasomotor center. By blocking the relative cholinergic overactivity in basal ganglia, it suppresses tremor and rigidity in Parkinson, depresses vestibular excitation, and it has anti-motion sickness property. High doses causes cortical excitation, restlessness, disorientation, hallucination, and delirium, followed by respiratory depression and coma. Atropine actions on CVS, cardiovascular system. It causes prominently affect is tachycardia due to blockade of M2 receptors on SA node. Higher the
existing vagal tone. More is the tachycardia. Tachycardia is maximum in young adults, less in children and the elderly. Lower doses it causes initial bradycardia due to blockade of M1 autoreceptors in vagal nerve ending. Atropine facilitates AV conduction by shortening its refractive period, especially when AV conduction is depressed by high vagal tone. PR interval is shortened, no marked effect on BP. Effect on BP complex vasomotor center stimulation and increase BP, histamine release and direct vasodilator action decrease in BP. Atropine action on eye. Summary in the next slide. Eye, eye topical instillation of atropine 0.1% causes mydriasis, abolition of light reflex, and cycloplegia lasting 7 to 10 days. This results in photophobia and blurring of near vision. Mydriasis is due to relaxation of sphincter pupillae. The intraocular tension rises, especially in narrow angle glaucoma, but conventional systemic doses produce minor ocular effects. Atropine action on smooth muscle. All the visceral smooth muscles with parasympathetic supply are relaxed. M3 blockade. First is GIT. Tone and amplitude of GIT are reduced and spasm may be reduced. Constipation may occur. Second is bronchial smooth muscles. Atropine causes bronchodilation and reduce airway resistance, especially in asthma patients. Inflammatory mediators, histamine, prostaglandin, and kinin increase vagal and the activity in the addition to their direct action on bronchial muscle and glands. Atropine decreases their action by antagonizing the action of acetylcholine in ureter and urinary bladder. Urinary relaxation action on the ureter and urinary bladder. Note: retention can occur in older men with prostatic hyperplasia, so anticholinergics to be avoided in such patients. Action on the glands. Glands atropine decreases sweat and salivary, tracheobronchial and lacrimal secretion. Skin and eye become dry and talking and swallowing may be very difficult. Atropine decreases volume of secretion of acid and pepsin and mucus in the stomach. Body temperature. Rise in body temperature occur at higher doses due to it causes inhibition of sweating edge, stimulation of the temperature regulating center in the hypothalamus. Children are highly susceptible. Pharmacokinetics.
of atropine. It is rapidly absorbed from the gut, applied to eyes, freely penetrate cornea, and passage across the blood-brain barrier is quite restricted. Distribution of atropine. It is widely distributed in the body. Metabolism of the atropine. It is highly metabolized in liver and 50% excreted unchanged in urine. इसका the T half 3 to 4 hours and effects disappear quickly within 2 hours. Expect eye crosses placental barrier and secreted in milk and saliva. Notes hyoscine more completely metabolized and better blood-brain barrier penetration. Adverse effects of atropine. It is due to extensions of its pharmacological action, like dryness of mouth, difficult in swallowing, tachycardia, fever, constipation, blurring vision, glaucoma, retention of urine, local allergy, dermatitis, conjunctivitis, swelling of eyelids, drug causing syndrome of acute atropine intox, tricyclic antidepressant, phenothiazine, and antihistaminic of anticholinergic drugs. It used as anti-secretory, pre-anesthetic medication, reduce excessive salivation and respiratory secretion. It prevents bradycardia and causes bronchodilation. The drug glycopyrrolate used commonly lack of central effects. In peptic ulcer, it causes decreased gastric secretion and provides symptomatic relief in peptic ulcer. Now being suppressed by H2 blockers, pulmonary embolism, it reduces pulmonary secretion. To check the excessive salivation or sweating in Parkinson. It used as antispasmodic in diarrhea, in intestinal and renal colic, abdominal cramps, inflammatory bowel diseases, gastritis, gastric hypermotility, dysmenorrhea. Non-steroid anti-inflammatory drugs are mainly preferred to relieve urinary frequency and urgency asthmatics and cycloplegic for testing error of refraction in diagnosis. To help up in fundoscopy for iridocyclitis, keratitis and after iridectomy. It is alternatively with myotics to break adhesion between iris and lens cornea. Topicamide have preferred action, largely replaced hematropine. It used in bronchial asthma, asthmatic bronchitis, and cough. Ipratropium and tiotropium is used. Ipratropium and tiotropium is used as cardiovascular vagolytic. It is used in counteracting sinus bradycardia and
partial heart block, delayed dilation of cervix during delivery. Are used in many conditions. Mo- First is motion sickness. Hyoscine used in motion sickness. Trihexyphenidyl and procyclidine. It used in Parkinson disease. Topicamide cyclopentolate hematropium. It used in Mediatics. Ipratropium and tiotropium. It used in bronchial asthma. Glycopyrrolate and atropium. It used in pre-anesthetic medication. Pyrenzepine and teligene propanthelene. It used in peptic ulcer and antispasmodic. Dicyclomine and oxybutynin. It used in renal colic. Flavoxate and tolterodine. Rotavirine. It used in urinary incontinence and nocturnal enuresis. Valithamate used in delayed dilation of cervix during delivery.